हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज़ आयशर एंड यू वाचिंग नेवर सेटल। मैंने मेरा चैनल का नाम बदल दिया हूँ। फ्रॉम लास्ट 5 days आई डिडेंट डू ए सिंगल वीडियो बिकॉज आई हैव लॉट ऑफ वर्क इन ऑफिस. इट इज़ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर. दैट्स वाई आई डिडेंट डू ए सिंगल वीडियो because I went office 11 o'clock and when I came to hostel it is also 11 o'clock. That's why I didn't do any videos. Okay, today I have some time, that's why I'm doing this video. मेरा चैलेंज है ना, मेरा चैलेंज क्या है? 30 days में इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करना. मैं भूल गया था. एक हफ्ता तो इसमें ही चला गया, इसलिए मैं आज करने के लिए आया हूँ. द टुडे आई थिंक इट इज़ 6th day. The today topic is what is product based and what is service based companies. In IT industry we have two different types of companies. One is product based and another one is service based. Okay, let's discuss about these two companies and also about the career and what you will have, what you will get in these companies. Okay, let's start our video. In our India we have product based companies and service based companies. Service based company means they give service to other companies, something like TCS and Wipro and Tech Mahindra. These are all service based companies. They will provide services like editing their product or improving their product features or anything else, something like that is called service based. In service based, if you join you will get less salary and low work pressure. You don't have much of work pressure in service based. If you join in service based company, okay, you will live a better life than your product based company, because I am in a product based company. That's why I didn't have some at least time to do a video. In service based company, if you want a job, you don't need any, you need technical skills, but it's not must. If you know any tools, you will get hired by these companies. In these companies the growth rate of your salary is low. Almost 10 to 15% or 20% hike will be there in these companies. So this is the service based companies. Almost there are okay, this is the service based company. Now I will talk about the product based companies. Product based companies are there who develop a product and sell the product to society or any other companies or any other people. It's called product based companies. They will build their own products and they get margin by selling them. It's called product based. The example is Google and Twitter and almost every growing startup is a product based company. Uber and everything is a product based company. Zomato also is a product based company. They build their own product and they are using the product to get margin. So these are all product based companies. So in product based companies they will build their own products from scratch. So that's why there is lot of pressure. And also it's their product. That's why they will get more money and they will pay more salary. They will pay extra salary for their employees, because they will provide extra, they will give extra work and they will provide extra salary also. That's why in product based companies you will get if you join a product based company you will get extra skills, you will learn extra skills, and you will get extra salary, and you will get extra pressure also. If you are a fresher, try to join in a product based company, because after 2-3 years you will become a masterpiece, because you will learn a lot of things in a product based company compared to service based company. Now I am learning almost almost I learned JavaScript and CSS and HTML and React, and also SQL and backend Node.js. These are all technologies I learned. If I joined a service based companies, it is not possible in a 6 months. Only 6 months. I joined 6 months 6 months before as a intern. In this 6 months period, I am 4 months are in internship and 2 months are job, fully employment. In these 6 months I learned a lot of things like these all technologies. So it is because it is the pressure is like that, so you will learn a lot of things in product based companies. So if you want to grow in life, if you want to do something big in life, then join in a product based companies. Service based companies also good, because you don't get any you don't to have a lot of pressure. You can live a fully enjoy life, but in service based company you can't live a enjoy life. You can't go anywhere. In product based companies, they will put a lot of pressure on your head and your body and etc. You need to go every Saturday and Sunday also office, because the timelines and deadlines are like that. Okay, this is the video about product based and service based companies. These are two types of companies we have in IT industry. Okay, this is my 6th video of speaking challenge English. Okay, I think I am improved. Okay, and also I will do videos on this topic, and also I wanted to do the technical videos about related to JavaScript and CSS, not JCSS. Already covered CSS in basics. मुझे रिएक्ट भी करना है, जावास्क्रिप्ट भी करना है, पाइथन को भी करना है, पाइथन भी आती है मुझे, पाइथन को भी करना है, पूरा सबको करना है. मैं अभी फ्लटर देखने जा रहा हूँ, फ्लटर भी नहीं हो रहा. ओके, चलो, दिस इज़ द वीडियो ऑफ 6th वीडियो. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय बाय.